Okay, talking about percents. 30%, that can be written as either 30 over 100 or 0.3. Percents mean out of 100. 3% you could write as 3 over 100 or 0.03, and 0.3% would be 0.3 over 100 or 0.003. I like putting it over 100 because I tend not to do as many careless mistakes, but it can be represented either way. Now, a lot of the percents on the SAT, they're going to be testing your ability to take words and translate that into a mathematical expression. So if you see the word percent, that means divide by 100. If you see the word what, that means a variable, like x or n. If you see the word of, remember that always stands for multiplication. Is, are, was, were, equals means the equal sign. And what percent, this is the best thing I'll probably give you, what percent always means x over 100. That's the key to translation problems. So for instance, looking at this first problem here, 33% of what is 30% of 55% of 400? So let's translate this into a mathematical expression. 33% is 33 over 100. Of stands for multiplication, so times what means x. So we got 33 over 100 times x. Is means equals 30%, 30 over 100 of multiplication, 55%, 55 over 100 of multiplication, 400. So the whole expression reads 33 over 100 times x equals 30 over 100 times 55 over 100 times 400. Simplifying, 33x over 100 equals 660,000 over 10,000. Get rid of, all four of those zeros. And it simplifies to 33x over 100 equals 66 over 1. Cross multiply, 33x equals 6,600. 33x over 33 equals 6,600 over 33, which simplifies to x equals 200. I really like to do the percents translated easily just like this, as opposed to doing it the way they teach you in school, which is setting up their proportions, because we know how to do it in school when we're on that particular lesson, but it's really hard to remember what proportion to set up when you're on a standardized test because you might not have done it for a year. So rather than trying to memorize those proportions, just write out the words.